Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So in the last class we discussed a chapter named as squares and square roots, and in this class I am going to introduce a new chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. You are already familiar with algebraic expressions, and a new topic for you is identities, or simply standard identities. We will study here in this 8th standard. Now, as if we come to the lesson part, chapter algebraic expressions. So what are expressions? Algebraic expressions. Simply algebraic expressions, we call them as simply it is expressions. So what are expressions? Expressions are nothing but combination of terms or a single term. Combination of terms or a single term. So combination of terms is known as an expression. Combination of terms. Combination of terms or a single term. Or a single term is called an expression. Is called an expression, or simply algebraic expression. Is called an expression. Expression or algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So now, as I told you here, combination of terms or a single term. Term. What do you mean by a term? A term is formed by with some numbers, that is called constants and variables. Constants and variables. A term is what? A term is combination of constants and variables. Constants and variables, or simply constants or simply variables, is known as a term. So a term contains what? Constants will be there, variables will be there, or simply variables will be there, or constants will be there. You see, a simple constant is also will be called as a term. So 7 is a term. 7xy is a term. 7x square y square z is a term. Minus 3xyz is a term. Minus 4abcd is a term. All these are terms, they contain numbers, that is known as constants, and some variables x and y. Now what are constants? What are constants? Constants are nothing but the numbers whose values are fixed. Constants are nothing but numbers whose values are fixed. Constants, we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 3, minus 2, 1.5, or 3/4, etc. All these values are constants. Why these are called constants? Because their values are fixed. Their values does not change. That's why these values are known as constants. Next, variables. What are variables? Variables. The word variable says itself, it is variable means varies, means changes, whose values changes. Such terms are known as variables. So variables are represented with all small alphabets like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. All small letter cases we take as variables, and numbers are constants. So now we'll discuss coefficients. Coefficients, terms and factors. So what are coefficients? Coefficients are nothing but the numerical coefficients. For example, if consider a term 7xy. In 7xy, 7 is called coefficient. 7 is called coefficient of xy. 7 is called coefficient of xy. If you consider for x, which is the coefficient, the remaining part, that is 7y, is called coefficient of what? X. and 7x is the coefficient of what? Y. 7x is the coefficient of y. 7 is the coefficient of xy and 7 we got as numerical coefficient. For x or for x, 7y is the coefficient of x and for y, 7x is the coefficient of y. Similarly, if you consider minus 3y here, minus 3 is the coefficient of y. Minus 3 is the coefficient of y, and if you consider 4x square y, 4 is the coefficient of x square y. Now, what are terms? Terms, I told you, combination of variables and constants, or simply combination of a constant is also been called as a term. 2 is a term, xy is a term, 7x square y is a term, minus 4xyz is also a term. All these are terms which contains combination of constants, variables, or constants alone. Now, what are factors? In arithmetic we have come across factors. Factors are nothing but the divisors which leaves remainder 0 on division. So here factors are nothing but what in algebra. If you consider the term xy, factors of xy are what? X is one factor, y is the other factor. And if you consider 7x square y, the factors of 7x square y are 7 is one factor, x square is one factor, and y is the other factor. So now, if you consider the other term, one more term, it is minus 4xyz is a term. Then what are the factors of minus 4xyz? The factors of minus 4xyz are minus 4x, y and z. These are the factors of the terms. Now, based on these terms, algebraic expressions are classified into 3 groups or 3 classes. So, classification of algebraic expression, classification of algebraic expressions. So, based on what? Number of terms. Based on number of terms, these algebraic expressions are classified as 1. Monomial. So see the word mono means one. Monomers you studied in chemistry. Monomial means an algebraic expression which contains only one term. Such algebraic expressions are known as monomials. The algebraic expressions which contains only one term is known as a monomial. Examples: it contains only one term, means it may be a variable or it may be a constant. So 2 is a monomial, 2x is a monomial, 2x square is a monomial, minus 2xy is also a monomial. So next, the second type of algebraic expression is binomial. So binomial, bi means here what? 2. Bi means 2. Binomenclature in science we have studied. Binary number system is studied in mathematics. Binary number system means the number system which contains only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So here bi means 2. Binomial means an algebraic expression which contains 2 terms. How many terms are there? 2 terms. Binomial means an algebraic expression which contains 2 terms. Is known as a binomial. An algebraic expression which contains 2 terms is known as a binomial. Examples: x plus y. X is one term, y is the other term. So it is a binomial. Then x minus y is a binomial. X plus 2 is a binomial. Y cube plus 7 is a binomial, which is having only 2 terms. In this y cube plus 7, y cube is one term, 7 is the other term. So next classification is trinomial. So what is a trinomial? Tri means 3. A triangular. You studied in algebra. In geometry. Triangular. Tri means 3. So trinomial means an algebraic expression which contains 3 terms. An algebraic expression which contains 3 terms is known as a trinomial. An algebraic expression which contains 3 terms is known as a trinomial. Example: x plus y plus z. Here 3 terms are there. Or x square plus 2x minus 7 is a trinomial. Then 4x square plus 3x plus 2 is also a binomial. So monomial means having only one term, binomial means having 2 terms, trinomial means having 3 terms. Examples are all these. Now one more word introduced, that is polynomial. Polynomial. So what is a polynomial? Poly means many. Poly means many. Polymers, polygons. We studied in geometry again. Polygons, polymers in chemistry. So poly means it is many. So an algebraic expression which contains many. Here many means one or more than one term. One or more than one term. Polynomial means having one or more than one term. More than one term. More than one term is known as a polynomial. What is a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression which contains one or more than one term is known as a polynomial. Means if only one term is there, it is a monomial. Means all monomials are polynomials. More than one term means 2 terms or 3 terms. Means all binomials are polynomials. All trinomials are polynomials. Examples for polynomials are 3 having only one term, 3x having only one term, minus 3y having only one term, x plus y having 2 terms, x minus y having 2 terms, x square plus 3x plus 4 having 3 terms, x plus y plus z minus 7 having 4 terms. All these are polynomials. So we will study again this algebra chapter in the 9th and 10th standard under a name called polynomials. Now what are polynomials? Polynomials are the algebraic expressions which contains one or more than one term. So based on the, again we classify these polynomials based on their degree, that is the highest power in the 9th and the 10th standard. So this is the classification of what? Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. Now we have here like terms and unlike terms. Like fractions we have like terms and unlike terms. Like terms. Similarly here in fractions we have like fractions and unlike fractions are there. Like terms and unlike terms. What are like terms? Like terms are the terms which contain same variable with the same power or same exponent. Like terms are the terms which contains same variable with same power with the same exponent, irrespective of their coefficients, irrespective of their arithmetic sign. But what they should have, common thing is they should have the same variable and they should have the same power. For example, like terms 7x and 4x. Here x is the variable, in this also we have x is the variable. Both they have the same variable and the power of here x it is 1. Here also the power of x it is 1. They have the same variable and they have the same power. Therefore these two we can call it as like terms. Even if you take minus 3x, this is also a like term for 4x and 7x, as the 3 terms they contain same variable with the same power. Now you take 7x square minus 4x square. Are they like terms? Yes, they are like terms because x is the variable for them and 2 is the power for both the terms, for both the variables, both the terms. 2 is the variable. Or if you take minus 7xyz 4xy 4 minus 7xyz 4yxz. This is also an example for like terms. So here the order of the variables is changed, but they have the same variables and their exponents are same. So these kind of terms are known as what? like terms. Then what are unlike terms? Like unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Fractions with different denominators. Fractions with different denominator are known as unlike fractions. Like fractions are fractions with same denominator called like fractions. Like terms means they have the same variable with the same power. What about unlike fractions? Unlike terms. Unlike terms are the terms which contain different variables or same variable with different powers. Same variable with different powers. So how can you identify unlike fractions? They should have the different variables or they should have the different powers. You see, for example, 7x and 7y, are they like terms? These are what? Unlike terms. These are what? Unlike terms. What are unlike terms? Unlike terms are the terms which contains different variables or same variables with different powers. Example, 7x and 7y. They have different variables x and y. So they are not like fractions, they are unlike fractions. Similarly, 7x and 7x square. Are they like fractions? Are they like terms? No, they are not like terms because here they have the same variable x, but their powers are different. In the first term, we have the power is 1, whereas here the power is 2. Power is 2. Now, 7xy, and this is 7xy square. 7xy square. Though here variables x and y, here also x and y, same variables are there, and the power for x is same, that is 1, but the power of y in the first term is 1, whereas in the second term it is 2 is there. So this kind of terms are known as unlike terms. So like terms, unlike terms. Like terms, unlike terms. How do you identify like terms? They will have the same variable with the same exponent. Unlike terms are what? The terms with different variables or same variables with different powers. So where we use this like terms and unlike terms concept? So in addition and subtraction, like what we discussed in the fractions. Like terms can be added, unlike terms cannot be added. Similarly, like terms can be subtracted, unlike terms cannot be subtracted. So what we discussed here is what are algebraic expressions, what are terms, what are variables, what are constants, what are coefficients, what are factors, and classification of algebraic expressions based on the number of terms. Now we will discuss the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions which we have studied in the 7th standard with some examples. I will discuss addition of algebraic expressions. So addition of algebraic expressions means adding terms. Addition of algebraic expressions is nothing but adding terms. Which terms are added? Like terms are added and unlike terms are not added. So here we have two methods are there, vertical method as well as horizontal method, which we studied in the 7th standard. You feel whichever is better, you can learn that method. So add the following. First sum, AB minus BC. This is one algebraic expression, AB minus BC. The second expression, BC minus CA. BC minus CA. Third expression is CA minus AB. How to add these three algebraic expressions? So in method 1, that is column method. Method 1. What we will do here it is, we will write all the algebraic expressions. AB minus BC. First expression plus second expression it is BC minus CA. BC minus CA plus third expression it is CA minus AB. CA minus AB. Now the first step is write all the algebraic expressions with the plus sign. Then regroup the like terms. Write like terms at one place. AB is do you find any like term for AB? Yes, here we have minus AB is there. So both are like terms, AB and minus AB. Write together. AB minus AB. Next, minus BC plus BC. These two are like terms. Write together. Minus BC plus BC. And similarly minus CA plus CA. Minus CA plus CA. So second step is write the like terms at one place. Then and AB minus AB, that is 1 minus 1. What we get? 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. A minus A, 0. AB minus AB is also what? 0. When we subtract these two, what? Both will be cancelled and we get what? 0. 0. And this, when we subtract this, we get 0. And this, when we subtract, we get 0. 0 minus 0 minus 0, what we get is 0 only. So what we get? 0. So like this we will add the algebraic expressions. We will write all the algebraic expressions together horizontally. Then we will regroup the like terms and then we will add. Here we are adding means what is nothing but the adding coefficients. Adding coefficients, numerical coefficients. Here AB means what does it mean? 1AB. Minus AB means what does it mean? Minus 1AB means we need to add what? 1 and minus 1. When we add 1 and minus 1, what we get? 0 only will get it on that. Therefore, AB minus AB is equal to 0. Minus BC plus BC is equal to 0. Minus CA plus CA is equal to 0. Second method is there we have. What is the second method? In second method, we will write this. We will write these algebraic expressions one below the other. By writing this, what it is? Like terms. Like what we will do in the numbers, when we are adding the numbers, we will write all ones place digits under ones place, tens place digits under tens place, hundreds place digits under hundreds place. Similarly here, like terms we will write first expression is AB minus BC. Second expression, what is it is? BC minus CA. BC minus CA. BC. Do you find any like term in the first expression? Yes, it is there. Therefore, BC write down to BC. Then minus CA is there. Any like term is there in the first expression? It is not there. So write aside minus CA. Then third expression we have CA minus AB. CA means it is plus CA. Write plus CA under minus CA. And minus AB is there. Write AB minus AB under minus AB. Like this we will write and then we will add. Minus CA plus CA will be cancelled, we get 0. Minus BC minus plus BC will be cancelled and we will get 0. And here AB minus AB will be cancelled and we get 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to what it is? 0. So in both the cases what we will get? Finally we will get the 0 value only. Now we will discuss one more sum. So here I explained two methods. Which method you feel better, that method you can use and you can add the algebraic expressions. See here the second sum. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. The second expression is 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. So write the first expression. What is the first expression? It is 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Next, write the like terms. In the second expression, first term it is 5 plus 5. So write plus 5 under constant plus 4. Next, plus 7pq. Write plus 7pq is a like term for minus 3pq. So write plus 7pq under minus 3pq. Then minus 3p square q square is a like term to 2p square q square. Therefore it is minus 3p square q square. Like this, we should write the like terms below to the like terms. Then add. Here we are adding. So plus 4 plus 5 is equals to what? Plus 9. Here we use the integer concept. So minus 3pq plus 7pq is there. Minus 3pq plus 7pq. So what we will do in adding or subtracting? We will add or subtracting only numerical coefficients. Numerical coefficients. What are the numerical coefficients which you find? We are finding here minus 3 plus 7. How do you add this to minus 3 plus 7? Means addition of two integers, one positive integer and one negative integer. While you are adding one positive integer and one negative integer, that is two different signs are there. What we will do? We will subtract the numbers and we will take the larger number sign. So here which is the larger number? It is 7 plus 7. 3 is smaller. Subtract these 7 minus 3 it is 4. And which sign we should consider? Bigger number sign. Which is the bigger number? It is 7. What is having inside it is plus. Therefore this will be plus 4pq. Plus 4pq. So now similarly we have to add these two. That is 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. Minus 3p square q square. Again in this case also what to do? We should add or subtract the numerical coefficients. What are the numerical coefficients? Here it is 2 and minus 3. When we add 2 and minus 3, what we get it is 2 and minus 3. So again two different signs. Numbers are with two different signs. So you need to subtract. 3 minus 2 it is 1. 3 minus 2 it is 1. So which sign we should consider? Minus sign. Minus 1p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. This is the sum of these two expressions, which is minus 1p square q square, or simply it is minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. What is the other method? The second method is write both the expressions 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 plus 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square minus 3p square q square, that is equals to, right? Now what is the second step? Write the like terms. Here 2p square q square and minus 3p square q square is one pair of like terms. Write together 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. Next minus 3pq plus 7pq, both forms one pair of like terms. Write together minus 3pq plus 7pq. Next plus 4 plus 5. This will form what? One pair of like terms. Now add the numbers. So add the numerical coefficients 2 and minus 3. So why we are adding these two, 2 and minus 3? Because these two are like terms. So how do we add 2 and minus 3? That is 2 minus 3 p square q square minus, this is minus 3 plus 7. We are adding here plus 7 pq plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. Plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. We can add directly. Now 2 minus 3 means what? Adding 2 and minus 3. What we have to do? Subtract the numbers 2 and minus 3 and take the larger number sign. That is 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 is having the minus sign. Therefore it is minus 1 p square q square plus minus 3 plus 7. Again different signs are there. Subtract the numbers. 7 minus 3 is 4pq plus 4pq plus 9. Or simply you can write as minus 1 p square q square as minus p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. So this is the sum of these two algebraic expressions. So here we have two methods are there. In these two methods also we have to identify the like terms and regroup them, write the like terms at one place, add the numerical coefficients. While we are adding the numerical coefficients, we follow what? Integer concept. That is addition of two integers. Two positive integers, you get the positive sign. Add the numbers, take the positive sign. Two negative integers, will get the same negative sign, add the numbers. When one positive number and one negative number is there, what we get it is? It is depending upon the larger number and we need to subtract in that case. After subtracting, take the bigger number side and we will get the sum.